storm last night knocked out our power. The bridge going into town is completely washed out. No internet. I'm cold and I'm hungry. I'm pretty sure my neighbor is not prepared, but I am. No power, no internet, but I got a hot bowl of chili, compliments of my Gonex 2-burner camping stove. And yeah, that was canned chili because I'm prepared. I was able to make me a coffee and a chili on a day when I've got no power and it's cold because I'm prepared. Are you?